Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. So what have I been up to? Okay, so yesterday I had Jess, my oldest granddaughter, and excuse me, we just potted around. We went into town, we went to Poundland, and we went to the scrap store. So I just wanted to show you what I'd actually picked up out on my travels. I am reining it in a bit, but I couldn't resist on some of the things, so let me show you. Firstly, what I got from Poundland. Now, oh no, this was from the scrap store actually. Poundland, I didn't really get that much. I just got a few little bits and pieces. I got this little cute tape dispenser, and it has these lovely little monster footprints, but I got it for the dispenser more than anything. Some more of these pearl brads, some highlighters because I needed some highlighters, and I just thought these were super cute with little mermaid and a unicorn, etc. on those. A couple more glue pens because you can never have enough. Oh, that's there. A sticky roll dispenser, and I picked up one of these, which is going to be amazing for I already have some lace bits for these, and I think I might actually go and get another couple of these round baskets because I think they are really cool. So that was what was from Poundland, so not that exciting really. But then I went to the scrap store. Now, oh, I got this from Poundland as well, sorry. This is just like an index card box, and I just thought that would be really cool. I did have my Rolodex with everyone's address, but I thought this would take up less space, so I'm going to use this. It's just a index card, you know, with the alphabet on, so you can use it as an address box, and it's just like a little plastic box, so I thought I could use that. Then we went to the scrap store. Now, the scrap store has two different sections. It has a section where I pay £40 a year, and you can go in and you can pick up a basket full or a trolley full of what's classed as the free items. They're not free because you're paying your membership, but you know what I mean. You can have as much as you want and go whenever you want. But they also have a section which is stuff that you pay for, and they have a craft section, and I had a little nosy in there. And firstly, I got these glues. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 just PVA, and then 2 clear glues. I've never used this brand before, but I thought it would be great for my collaging, and we'll see how we get on with that, because there's a lot of glue in there. There's 150 mils in each one, but I like the size of them to dip a paintbrush in, so I thought they would be rather cool. Then, oh my goodness me, they had some stamps in there. Now this was £3, but it's still cheaper than buying it from like Hobbycraft, and it's just this kind of almost like net. I thought that'd be great for my journals. These ones were £2 each. This one's just got a diva on it, never been used. I thought that would be really, really lovely. And then this lovely decorative frame, this was £2 as well. And then this one says, to a special friend, and they are all new. They were £1, those ones. But I also picked up some punches. But look at these punches that I picked up. Now, some of them were £1, £2 and £3. So let me show you what I got. So I got this tag one, which is really cool. It's quite a diddy little tag, but that's quite handy to have. I haven't actually cut it out yet, so let's have a look what it does. I have some card up here, so let's have a look at the size of it. I think this is going to be perfect for what I was wanting. Oh, look at that. Look, that is such a cute little tag. So I mean, I have tag dies, but punches are always easier. This was £2, which I thought was cool. Then there's this other tag die, which I think is pretty much the same actually. Is it going to work? and that's just that one. It's just got more of a straight edge. So they're pretty basically the same size, but it gives me some little tags. And look at this. It's to make your own little stamp. Look, I actually have the big version of this, but it didn't have this nice cute size. But look at this. Wait a minute. Look at that. It makes little stamps. Oh, I loved it. I saw it and I thought, oh my goodness me, I have to have that. So that's the stamp one. This one is just a 2-hole punch, which was £1. This has 2 slits if you want to put ribbon through. That was £1. This one has a row of 5 dots. These are all new. That was £1. Then I have this one, which is just a circle punch, and I'm not sure if I actually have that size. But there was a size in the circles that I wanted and I didn't have. So I'm going to get my circle punches out later and cut them all and see now if I have the missing one. I'm sure it was half an inch one. I'm not sure. But anyway, I was missing one, so I thought I'd get it. This one, again, is just a little 2 slit sort of punch. But it's great for putting like ribbons through. And then I've never seen a circle punch. Look at this. This is large circle there and big circle there. Oh, I don't really know how to use that. I'm going to have a look and see. I don't know if I've got any. Oh, how do you do this? Oh, I don't know. How would you do that then? Oh, so you might have to cut your circle out first, I think. Duh. Right, I'm going to have to experiment with that one because I've never had a punch like this. This was £2, so I thought I would get it. So those are my finds from out shopping yesterday. I've been doing more clearing of my craft room, which I shall show you a bit later on, but I just wanted to show you my little stash that I picked up today. So I'm going to go put all these away and I shall see you all excuse me, back later. I do have another giveaway actually, even though I've got one running. I'm going to put another one up today or tomorrow. Oh my goodness, trying to think what else has happened. Oh, I know what I was going to say. I got my my intolerance test back, and OMG, it's not good. It's really, really not good. Excuse me, I am highly intolerant to coffee, which is not good because I love my coffee. Coffee is, well, nutmeg is my top one, then coffee, then cow's milk, sheep's milk, gluten, wheat, rye, strawberries, carrots, black pepper, which, oh my god, that goes in everything, and cats. 94% intolerant to cats and dogs. So I am gluten intolerant, dairy intolerant, can't have coffee, cheese, yogurt, any of that nice stuff. It's all got to be gluten free. So yes, I'm working on sorting myself out and getting a diet, but at least I know that probably a lot of the reasons I've been in pain is because of my foods that I have been eating. I still have a hospital test to come up, so I don't know if they'll pick anything up or if it is just foods, but at least I can get the ball rolling. And if I don't eat, I'm all right now. I'm not in so much pain if I don't eat, but the minute I eat, I'm still in pain. So I know it takes some time to get these things out of my system, so I'm just working on that. Right, so enough of me. I will be back with some more sorting out and some tutorials and lots of yummy videos. So thanks for watching and take care, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.